Welcome to the vlog, guys. So, I don't know if you guys can tell, but the audio is way better, I'm pretty sure. Because I got a new case, it doesn't cover the mic, so it goes like right, it doesn't go through the case and get a little bit of audio, but it goes, like the case doesn't cover the mic no more, guys. I had a life-proof case and it was bad with capturing audio. I mean, it captured audio, but it wasn't as good as this. But look at this. Look at these two. Aw. What's this? Solid. Solid. Dog is playing with the lime. Lola. Lola, 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 Lola. Hey. Lola. Look, look. Go get it. No. Why? What's his? Are you trying to play with Lola's trying to play with you. Play with her. Let's go visit the parrot of the house. The cranky parrot. Mrs. Cranky. Oh really, she freaks out. I don't want to bug you. She hates everyone. Hi. Alright, I'm going. Chill, fam. Chill. There it is. What are you doing? Watch this, guys. She could never do this until today. She can go on couches now. Matthias, chill. Chill, be nice to her. Come on. Good job. Aw, she loves you, Matthias. You two are the same, but different kind of breeds. Same dogs, but you guys are dogs, but different type of dogs. She's Chihuahua, you Great Dane. Bye, Matthias. I'm going to Nicholas's house right now. Nicholas is like the studio place. Well, it's actually his grandma's house, but we're starting to call it the studio. So, we're on our way. This time I'm not taking a skateboard. I don't know why. I guess because it's a nice day. It's cloudy. Not too much cloud. I'm waiting at the bus stop to go to Nicholas's house. I think there's a bus up there. I'm at Nicholas's house right now. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna go to Carl's Jr. Right now. Weird. Do you always got like leftover toothpaste like on like the sides right here? I just did. Yeah, so Carl's Jr., here we come. Man, when I edit this, I hope it sounds really good. I hope so. So, yeah, and by the way, I'm at the studio. This is the studio. 360. Yeah, computer. This is it's webcams, security cameras. Yeah. As I'm still at the house, and just look at my hair. I was just brushing it, and look at this. Look at this. So long. This is my comb, by the way, not Nicholas's, and this is my product right here. I haven't put any in my hair yet. I like it. Yeah.
Fat piece of shit. Fat piece of shit. Fat piece of shit.
Alright, now we're going to Carl's Jr.
And I'm gonna start my vlog.
Yeah. Yeah. Carl's Jr., here we come. It's our favorite restaurant, of course. Biagio says he was just there a few minutes ago, and now he's
He has to go back.
He probably already ate, or I don't know.
Yeah, but I'm hungry.
Yeah,
I am hungry. Starving.
I need food. Nicholas has mostly all the flavors. What you got?
Roberto.
No me lo voy a tomar todo, eso sí.
Sandwich. We gotta try these.
You scared the
Oreo.
shit out of me.
Oh yeah, and I put his iTunes card in his wallet. That's
Hey,
pretty
wait,
nice, man.
do you have milk?
Yeah,
No.
I asked him too. Remember?
Yeah. Okay, let's try this.
You should go to the Oxxo and buy milk.
Yeah. We're gonna try these.
Oh, good. I haven't chewed it yet. Good.
It's good, I think. Sorted. 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 Alright, so we're gonna catch an Uber. Hey boss, can I get the Uber, boss?
Watch this. You wanna know how to get front seat all the time, every time?
Shotgun.
Shotgun.
I already caught it.
No, don't be a bitch.
No, he called it. He
You know I
called
was
it.
gonna do that.
He called
Wait,
it.
no. Why are you guys doing this? It's here. We have to wait here.
Yeah.
Wait.
We have
didn't
to
you
wait.
say what's over there?
No, this is an old car, and I said, "Look, an Uber." Dude, you're a bitch. You're a bitch. But my finger hurts.
Yeah.
All right, I call Ox Court if they have one.
Yeah. You get Oxford if they offer you and have one. Of course, you're gonna say they passed the Oxford, man.
We were
Sorry.
waiting for an Uber because we're gonna go to the mall.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the mall.
Focus on that section.
Hey, there's our Uber.
There's our Uber.
Uber. That's called a palomilla, guys. It's like a taxi.
Collab vlog.
Yeah.
Vas por la ruta más rápida. Deberías llegar a destino a las 4:36 de la tarde. En 200
awful.
metros,
It's an
gire a la
awful
derecha
flavor.
con dirección
It's
a
awful.
Avenida
What is
Camarón
it?
Zamora.
I don't know. It's like some kind of peanut with something.
So we're at the mall right
Yo,
now.
can I go to the sports
Just
store?
walking. So we're just walking around. Not even December yet. It's like not even the middle of November, like Dion just said.
It's not even the middle of November. And it's already.
We're surrounded by Christmas decorations.
Y'all need Jesus.
We're surrounded in Christmas stuff.
I know. There's Santa Claus everywhere.
Yeah. We're going to check the camera gear
Where are the cameras?
over there.
Oh, that's so true.
Well, I hate to do my thing though. Where I usually do it.
Is it still there?
They're just gonna take. Look at this. Look.
Just
Do
do
this.
this.
No. Leave these here, because people are so they're gonna see that they're not in place. And then what you do is you put this. Remember, Guns N' Roses, okay?
Alright.
There, you're done.
Remember, Guns N' Roses.
Actually, no, that's a bad idea.
Alright, see you guys. See you, Nicholas. See you probably next weekend. Peace. Alright, so I'm on my way home. I gotta get there before it gets dark. Look, it's almost dark, guys. So, wish me luck on getting home. Alright. The mall is like right over there, as you can see, right there, that building. And this is a school that I know a lot of people that go to this school. It's called Tech. 10 out of 10 I recommend, or 9 out of 10. Because, I don't know. Maybe 10 out of 10 if I go there. So, sorry about that. I really want to go to this school right here because I know a lot of people there, and there's people that love touring on pilots that I kind of know. And I got a feeling that there's going to be at least a few. Because in the last school, I don't know any people really like touring on pilots besides me and maybe Michelle, or I don't know. Yeah. These cars almost got into a car crash right here. I was like, oh my God. I almost witnessed a car crash. It was so crazy. It was like this close to being a car crash. It was like almost a car crash. I was like, oh my God. I was like, I don't know what to say. Oh, this is the truck that almost got crashed. Like the one that stopped in the middle of the road. And he's probably going to the party. What if he's drunk already? Man, that was scary. It was very close of a car crash, dudes. Sometimes I call this dog Extra Chico. No, should I call Matthias Extra Grande? Like extra small and extra big? Maybe. Comment down below if I should call my big dog Extra Grande. His name is Matthias. And yeah, I'm wearing an Arizona shirt. It's a size large. I don't know if I would wear it every day, but yo, it's good. It's good. Hey, Extra Chico, come here. Extra Chico, come here. See, she responds. Extra Chico, come here. Come on. What do I have in my backpack? I'm starving though. Diageo's shirt. Diageo's shirt. Diageo, if you're watching this, you left your shirt and charger. But I was looking for this. My Carl's Jr. But I'm a little sad that I don't have fries on the side. I don't have fries with it because Diageo's dad and Nicholas ate it all. Oh damn it, but oh well. There's always next time, dude. You get like you know. Not really much, but still, it's a good burger. Might not look good at the moment. Not much actually, but as I said, it's a good burger. There's fireworks happening. I think they're done. Are they done, Matthias? Extra Chico's outside. Alright, so it wasn't a car crash, but I almost witnessed a car crash. It was so crazy. Wow, people are really stupid drivers sometimes. Some of them. I'm not saying everyone. So I'm gonna end this vlog right here because I'm gonna get ready for bed, and also, what else? These Oreos are very good right here. 10 out of 10 I recommend. And Biagio says that maybe I might hang out with him tomorrow. This is his shirt right here. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready for bed because I'm tired. I already got my clothes out for sleeping in. A In-N-Out shirt and some flowers like I worn this morning on the Younow broadcast. If you haven't watched me on Younow, it's Colton Baker. It's Younow is a broadcasting app. So yeah, I don't know if you were gonna add me, but feel free if you have Younow, because I do weird stuff on there, and I broadcast with random people like Nicholas and Biagio. I'm sorry, my voice sounds like I'm like tired and want to go to sleep because last night I didn't get a good sleep, because of when I went to the indoor trampolines. I hurted my back. If you guys didn't see yesterday's vlog, I went to a indoor trampoline place in the mall, and I did a backflip and failed because I wanted to do it because my friends did it. So, yeah. And a little bit more happened yesterday. And plus, it was my longest vlog ever. 40 minutes and 36 seconds. Check it out. It'll be right here in iCards. Then it'll be on the outro. Alright, so let's make this short. Peace out.